A very good evening. So in today's lecture, we'll be talking about inbuilt module math. Okay. So this is a built-in module. Okay, with multiple various mathematical function consisting अरे, built-in module consisting a mathematical functions actually. Yeah. So like what are these functions? I'll tell you just in one instance only. So first I need to change this. Okay. So whatever the mathematical functions that are existing, so some of them are there in the Python module. Uh, sorry, Python's math module in beforehand. Okay. So like if you want to find the maximum of an out of numbers, minimum out of numbers, okay, if you want to find the square root, uh, floor floor value, so like if you have given a decimal point value, so like it's 1.3, so if you want to find the floor value, you can just use the floor function and it will give you 1 as a value. Then you have a seal. Similarly, if you have 1.6 as a value, the seal value will give you 2. Okay, 1.6 will become 2. So floor value is like if this is 1.5, floor value is the value closest to it but in a descending order, and the seal value is value closest to it but in a ascending order. Did I say it wrong? Okay, seal value is the closest greater integer value, and the floor is closest smallest integer. Okay, so 1 is the smallest integer for 1.5 and 2 is greatest closest integer for 1.5. Okay, similarly you have power function, POW, and like you also have some predefined values beforehand such as pi, uh, infinity, for infinity is inf, then you can have nan values as well. So these three are more of constants. Okay, ninth, okay, yeah, these three are more of constant, and these six along with many others, they are used to find the values for the numbers. Okay, so I'll just show you the usage of this. So if you want to find the maximum of the number, so yeah, first of all I'll just help you with the syntax. So it's very basic syntax. You need to import the math module first. Okay, and then you just need to type math dot and then the keyword of all the functions, and then round brackets. Okay, so this is keyword, for example math dot max 4 5, ठीक है, math dot min 5 and say 10. Okay, so these are the examples of how to use this. So this is the syntax. Okay, now let's begin one by one with all these values. After, in the end, I'll just tell more of the like functions that are inside the math module. Okay, so first of all max, so you can do math dot max and pass on the list of number or how many numbers you want to provide. So like 10 5 4, so this will give you as 10 answer. It give you max of the numbers provided. Okay, then second minimum, you can use it at as math dot min. Again, if I use 10 5 4, this will give me answer as 4, this will give me answer as 10. Okay, now third I have square root. So if I want to find the square root of a number, okay, so I'll just do math dot square root 16 and it will give me answer as 4. Okay, now fourth for the floor value. Okay, so as I said, it will give you nearest smallest integer to the number. So if I have math dot floor 1.5, okay, so it will give me answer as 1. And then I have seal. If I do math dot seal and pass on the same number, it will give me 2 as an answer. So seal function gives you the integer greater than the decimal point and closest to it. Okay, so greatest integer which is closest to 1.5 is 2. Okay, now the power function. So what power function does is ki it returns, like it takes in two values. Okay, so it will be math dot power, first variable, this will be the number, and the second variable will be the power to which it will be multiplied. Okay, so this will be 4 to the power 3, 4 into 4 into 4, so I think, yeah, 64. Okay, so this is how you use the power function. Beside these functions, there are many more functions, and some of them you can use as sine, cos, tan, these trigonometric functions. Okay, and then there are like multiple other functions as well. Some of them that I can remember is nan. So it will check if the value of the variable is nan or not. Okay, then you have factorial as well. So it will give you the factorial of number that have been passed. Okay, and similarly there are like lot of functions for which you can read in the math module, and which you can enhancedly read in Python documentation. So like for some of these topics, Python documentation is very good. Okay, and it gives a very much great insight on the multiple other topics as well. So I'd prefer ki you go through the Python documentation, because it's very, I'll say little bit, sometimes it is little bit complex, but most of the time it's very easy to understand, and it's very good for the beginners as well. Okay, so yeah, this is more about the math module in Python. I hope you have liked the video. And yeah, please, if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. And if you like my videos, like my content, please do like my videos, share my channel with your friends. And yeah, do let me know if there is any doubts or any suggestion in the comments. It just helps me, get better and better with each video. Thanks guys, and have a nice day. Bye.